So I've been on a few sales calls where they're a yes by the end of the call,
Mm-hmm.
but before our follow-up, before we do payment and contract, they end up backing out. And they say that it's because of money and financial, or they don't want to invest or take on a financial burden. But excuse me, my sense is it's more about the buy-in and the trust that I'm not hitting on something.
It could be, it just, I don't know. Okay, so they're saying they want to do it. How come, what's the next step after that?
So they say they want to do it. Normally it would be either deposit or pay in full that day.
Mm-hmm.
Whether there's like they may or may not, sorry, the reason they may not be able to do the deposit is like I'm waiting to get paid, or I don't have my wallet with me right now, or like whatever reason they have to
Mm-hmm.
kick it down a day or two, and then we
Sure.
schedule a follow-up call to do that.
Okay, and is there any sort of limited availability? Is there any chance that the price would go up? Is there anything that would happen to them that would negatively affect the situation if they wait and don't buy? Does that make sense?
Yeah, we only have a limited number of registrations and we have a limited time for registration. So, like, registration is closing on this day.
Okay. So
That's
in your
pretty much
close,
it.
hey, does it make sense to get you registered so you can? Hopefully that's where the buy-in comes, right? Like what
Yeah,
is it that you're selling them? Is it life improvement coaching? What is it?
it's a coaching program. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can, what do they want to do with the coaching program? Become more confident, become more skillful? What is it?
It would be like eliminating their primary pattern
Mm-hmm.
and having the accountability and the partnership, having a new foundation of living.
Yeah, and when you say having a new foundation of living, can you, you're the customer right now, can you give me a specific example of what's going on right now and where you want to get to?
Um, New foundation of living because I feel like I'm burned out. I feel like I'm overwhelmed. My system is shocked. And where I want to get to is more ease with life, more quality time with the people I care about, more, feeling more fulfilled, feeling more passionate, stuff like that.
Yeah, so, and again, this is not answering your question, but, and we won't spend a ton of time on this, that's where you need to spend most of your time, right? My guess
Mhm.
is you're spending most of your time talking about your program and you're spending most of your time in platitudes. You need to talk about, like when you say spend more time with the people you care about, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, I'm a single dad and I'm with my daughter week on, week off, and I'm just so overloaded with work. I feel like, I only have half the time with her anyways, and it's going by, right? Does it make sense to get you on this program? So number one, we can make you more skillful at work and take that to the next level. But more importantly, number two, allow you to get what you need to be done in your career so that when you're with your daughter, you can spend time with your daughter, right? And make the
Mhm.
most out of that time. Yeah, it does. Congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next is we need to do a deposit for the group. We're very limited in those groups. I can take that deposit right now. Well, I don't have my credit card with me. Totally understand. What's a good next step? Well, I need to get to my credit card and then I'll fill it out. Can you email me something with the link? Absolutely, I can do that. I want to be crystal clear on something here though. Registration with these groups is extremely limited. I have the slot right now. If you have a different credit card or something, I can get you in on this slot, okay? If we wait, the likelihood that this group is going to get filled up is extremely high. It's 100%. It is going to sell out. I can't tell you exactly when. If we miss out on this particular group, I'll work with you down the road. We'll get you the next best group at that time with the next best price at that time. Our pricing tends to go up over time. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. I'll work around your schedule. Fair enough? Right? And then, oh, okay, yeah, but I'll have the credit card later today. Perfect. How about we do this? I'll call you at 5 p.m. if I haven't seen that you've signed up before then. And then at 5 p.m., hey Matt, it's Ronnie. Wanted to make sure you had the link to put in that credit card payment so we can get you more skillful at work, free up your time there, make that less stressful, and most importantly, make sure that your time with your daughter, you're not thinking about work all the time. I'm on my direct line. I'm going to re-email you the link right now, and I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202. Right? When you know where they're at right now and where they want to be, you can put so you can in the close, and there's nothing pushy or manipulative about that. Now, back to like what your son might have been saying with the, well, we haven't gotten into all that. I don't like where that's going because that turns into there's other sales coaches out there they're going to be like, well, when people say it typically means one of three things. Either you're like, don't go down that road. Just stay real crystal clear on this and go do some other prospecting calls. The more you push, the more they're going to push back. But you saying the group is going to fill up, that's not pushing. Because you're saying, hey, if we miss out on this one, I'll work with you on the next best group, right? I'll work with you in the next available time when that time comes. I just want to be crystal clear with you. If this thing goes into a few days, the likelihood that this group is going to be filled and you're going to have to wait until the next one is very, very high. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that. You got to talk in those types of terms. So play around with that a little bit. Yep. Sean, what you got? Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.